Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is the best investment you can make. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before the price goes back up. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but completely honest, finding perfect changes everything. You won't believe what I stumbled upon